Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell. If you're a returning viewer, we thank you so much. So today we are going to harvest oranges here in our village garden. But before we do that, I would like to show you the purple plantation that we have here. So this is our purple plantation. As you see, when it is ripe and ready, we climb on the purple tree and we harvest them for eating. So besides, here is our banana plantation. When they are ready, mostly they do well during the rainy season. During the dry season, they don't do well. So where we are in the village here, there is a bit of sunshine which supports the growth of citrus fruits. And the citrus fruits we grow are mainly oranges. As you can see, they are juicy and yellow and ready for harvesting, as you see. So I'm going to take you a tour around our orange plantation because we have a big field or a big farm. So some of them are already ready for harvesting. So most of the orange trees are mainly used for making juice and even for eating because they are very sweet. People eat them. They are sold in the local market and they're even sold in the fruit factory because we have a fruit factory just a few miles away. So this is our small tour around our ready orange plantation. So there are different varieties of oranges in this garden. We have the lemon, we have the local one called mangard. I don't know how it's called in English. Then we have the real sweet oranges itself. So besides there, we have the passion fruits. Our passion fruits have not done well this time because there's not much rain. So as you see them, they are very dry. They are ready, but there's not much juice inside. And the seeds are few. So the oranges did well. So let me take you a tour around. Have you seen our yellow oranges? They are juicy. Some of them fell down, showing us now that they are ready for harvesting. So today we are going to harvest them around this field, this garden. So there is a big garden around here full of oranges. So most of the time we sell them in bags and even in tons. So when we don't get market for them, they fall down and they are wasted. So we always have to get market for them so that we sell them in the local market and even in the food factory because they are sorted out. So let's take another tour to another tree. So this is the one I was telling you that it's called mangada. I don't know how they call it in your local language. It's also citrus. But this one is not yet ready. It did not put up the orange one. The oranges. So as you see, all the garden is yellow. So these oranges, for them to do well here in the village, they are always sprayed and even mulched. There's a lot of work to be done in these orange fields. They also need treatment because they get sick. So this is our shade. After weeding the garden, this is where we rest during day. We can go with a jerrycan of water in the garden, and it's put under the shade, so that after weeding we take the water when it's still cold. So here we have the lemon, the one I was telling you about. This one is grafted because they are big in size. So there's a small road here where people pass. But of course we have some challenges around. People steal them. So the garden is so big, we may not have to finish it all because it's tiresome to walk in a sunny day. So I'm going to take you straight to the piggery project, small project that is here. So we are rearing a few pigs around this place. So this is a house for the pigs, locally made with wood and some grass on top. So as you see there, we are keeping the white ones. And this is where they are. So we have the feeding materials for the pigs in the roof. They are kept on the roof so that they don't get dirty. So we mainly use the available material, which is the jerrycan is cut in the middle and used as a feeding material. And mainly we use maize brown and blood for animals. It is boiled and then mixed together.